فتحة، هي حركة فتحة أمريكا. موف حلو لهلا. في حال وصلت لهيدا الريزيستنس رح جرب له أول سيل، مع إنه انتبهوا بالعكس هو إذا بيكمل تبع بكرة مفروض إنه يكون عم بيكمل طلعه، مفروض. بس عم بحكي ككاندل وايز ال 5 مينت عملت سحبة منيحة على فتحة أمريكا. شوف الذهب كمان عمل ريتريسمنت، الذهب نزل رد نزلة ورجع هلا عم بيرد حوالي $5 من اللو تبعه 1719 اللي هو هون السبورت الأهم 1719، وكسرة ال 1719 رح بتكون مأزية للذهب. يعني في حال كسر 1719 معقول نشوف عنده كلير ترافيك داون. بس لاحظوا هيدي المنطقة هون قد ايه مهمة، كم مرة ضارب فيها، كم مرة ردد عليها and then هلا ضربها ورجع عمل اوه ويا راحت علينا اول تريد شي 12 نقطة كانت. لاحظوا على قد ضربت بالريزيستنس ونزلت. هلا ما بقى اخذها انا تنطر رح ترجع تعمل اذا رح تكمل طلعة ولا لا. بس لاحظوا هي اول ريزيستنس كيف ضربت ورجعت نزلت شوي، تنتركها هلا تطلع. ورح شوف رح راقب مزبوط سكيرة هيدي ال 5 minute candle، يعني رح انطر بعد دقيقة وراقب. So تنتقل للإنجليش. So hello everyone, today this is our live session. Yesterday's live FOMC meeting was satisfying for the stock market. Today we are seeing some retracement. GBP USD it's still expected to go further down, but we will see if it doesn't break the 139.48, can move up. Here the gold, it was a very good sniper entry, but we couldn't take it. Now it did it while we are checking. We have the 1719, which is an important support level, 1719. So it hit exactly this support level and now it's resuming up, at least like a scalp. I'm not talking about long term. This is 15-minute candle, but we have so far like 400 pips from this point. Wow, this is Dow moving up. The market is open. The US market opened bullish and it's still bullish. We have a very bullish 5-minute candle. The GJ is preparing to go down again, I think, and I'm waiting for the GJ this break and confirmation below 151.86, because I believe we can have a good, this is the double top target, and here mainly if it breaks this level we might see the GJ moving down to 151.70. We have like around 14-15 pips. Okay, US 30 is still moving up. We have now this resistance level. The 15-minute candle is super bullish so far. Big momentum in the first 5 minutes of the US Open. GBP USD, now it's too late, but selling at this point 139.30 was a great idea. After making the double top, we had a clear traffic, and it can resume as a first target here to 138.97, and then we can move further down to 138.69, of course, under one condition, respecting this resistance at 139.50. I love these moves in US30. Hopefully it will move up more and more. Let's see. So mainly I will be looking for a sell, for the first sell as scalp. If it resumes this, we still have 1 minute 45 seconds. If it resumes towards 33,118, it will be a good resistance and a good sell opportunity at this point. After moving up like around 200 pips, 100. Now, as I can see here, the GU is creating like a resistance level at this point. This is becoming a resistance level, and selling at this point is not a bad idea. So if you sell at this point 139.17, your stop loss should be at 27 and target 139. 139. This can be your trade. You have this stop loss and you have this take profit. Okay, I'm saying this, I'm already in a sell in GBP USD, but since 139.30 while moving down after this big up. But you can have this target. I'm not gonna trade it on the live again, but we will follow up what will happen with this trade. يا صراحة it depends انت شو عم تعمل. انا باللايف ما فكرت بعد الهيدج عن الاسترلينية دولار. اذا كل واحد عم يشتغل على طريقته it depends هو شو عم يعمل. So let's see. What do we have? US30, wow, it's still moving up. Perfect. Actually, this bullish move, it's somehow expected because based on the news yesterday on the FOMC meeting and announcement, so the stock market went up. It was very good for the stock market. As you can see yesterday, these moves up due to the news. And then this is a retracement for me. I think this is a retracement, no more. If today was the US Open, we will resume. Look, this is a 50% retracement. And then with the news today, we'll resume like with the open of the US market. Today, we are resuming the up move and the effect of the FOMC meeting. Let me remind you, this trade, you are just checking this trade. We didn't take this trade, GBP USD, to see if it's really creating here like a resistance, because you have here 1, 2, and here 1, 2. So it's a rejection as a support here twice, and it's here so far twice rejection as a resistance. So for me, it's at some point enough as minor resistance created here. Sometimes you can try the sell with a stop loss over 10 pips, and take profit for the next 15 pips. But no real trade executed here. Just watching. Wow, though. Like here, it did the retracement we want. It was a big retracement. Let's see if we can reach these two levels. We have two levels. If it reaches this level, I will start this very small sell, and then the second one will be at this one, 33128. So let's see if it will reach it. Now we can expect to have some good retracement. This is like 15-minute candle. Oh, this is the close of 15-minute candle. Actually, hopefully it will go up. This is a new candle. Usually we didn't have yet a 15-minute candle retracement. So I won't take it in the live, but somehow you can have a small sell here waiting for a retracement down. Like what's just happening. Whoa. Also, I can see that GBP/USD is moving down again. Whoa, GBP/USD also is moving down. Perfect. Well, look at this 15-minute retracement. That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay. Yes, yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. And here, this is the GBP/USD making this resistance and resuming down. At this point, we can secure our trade, closing like half the position, and putting stop loss at entry. You can close half of the position as I did now. I closed half of my position the position I already sold at 139.30 before, and I put a stop loss on 139.16. So also I'm profitable in this. Nice, nice. We have good movement in the market today, actually, and this is the 15-minute candle. This is a huge shadow. Once I saw like we have 15-minute close, that's what I was saying here. We can have the first sell, and then it moved down. Actually, I didn't take it to be honest, but uh, I had this feeling after 15 minutes up, and I hope that the market does not go into this retracement and then it hit the first sell here and then it moves down. That's okay. Nice move for GBP 39.05. You can close the trade. It's just about 5 pips, 6 pips, 6 pips. If you still are in it, that's okay. You have a winning trade and your stop loss is at entry. So it's good. Look, let's check here. My focus will be now on GJ. We still have 1 minute 42 seconds. The 15 minute. We have, look, the problem is the 15 minute, and this is why I can't sell at this point, even though it went here to this level. I will take a buy here, actually. But I can't sell here because there's no wick for the previous candle. At the same time, there's no wick for the candle that the 15-minute candle. So of course, if we have a huge momentum or big momentum or big volume, we will resume down. But I can't take this trade while I can see shadows and maybe we'll have a retracement. Okay, GBP USD still going down, still moving down. Your target, your initial target should be at 139.97, but you can take it as one at 139, 138.97. And I still believe that at the end of the session, we should close all this gap. So I will try to keep a runner. Now I have profitable trade and I have even my stop loss securing 15 other pips profits. I will try to keep this trade going or moving down to 138.72. This should be okay. Now we are 39. People who want to close, they can close the trade. But I think, and now even you can, I think we can resume to this level. I will keep this, even though it hit my target. People who went into this trade at this level, not there, seriously, you must close half of your trade and secure your stop loss. And even secure it more, and you can here, go here. Okay, you secure your profit. Okay, so you move down. Okay, because maybe the market will move again up from this point. But if half of your lot closed and then you have the rest going down, this means that you already took your profit, but at the same time, you will focus on making more pips. Let your runners run. GJ, 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 GJ. So got some technical issue, but watching from Gulag. Yes, تعالوا يلا نجي. Hello, I'm from Lebanon. I want to learn Forex and can you tell me how to register and all info? As a beginner, I don't know nothing. That's okay. That's very easy. You can check us and you can uh, talk to us. I will send the number soon. So let's see. Let's see here. Wait. So, yeah, so YouTube below. And guys, this is the Forex Space WhatsApp number. Any details you want to ask, you can contact our marketing and sales team, and they will be more than happy to assist you. So here we are in the GBP USD. We are still moving down. بعدنا هون باسترليني دولار وبعدنا عم ننزل. So نفوكس على استرليني دولار لأنه نحن بتريد فيها. And كمان الداو شو حلوة، شو هالنزلة. What a move on the US 30. What is this retracement? True, John, true. That's why I'm saying that we can have the clean candle, but at 139, as it is the target of the double top here, we can see on the 30-minute that we had a double top formation. Usually, when you get to the target of the double top, you have to secure all the position. You have to. How do you secure all the position for me? You close 50% of this trade as a part of the risk management, and you put your stop loss on entry. Now we have the stop loss even below the entry. Okay, so we secure this trade. There's no way, even if the market moves 500 pips up, 500 pips up, there is no way that you can lose anymore this trade. You have the money in your pocket, half of the lot, and then you have some small profit in the stop loss. في يفوت هلا? No, it's too late for me. For me, it's too late. For me, it's too late. Already here, it was like a question before we go into it. But for me, it's too late. Why? Because your stop loss will be at least like 20, 24 pips. 24 pips. I don't know. I don't go for this trade anymore. If I didn't get this trade before, I don't go for this trade anymore. US 30. US 30. No one can expect this move down. Even if I sold at this point, I would have closed it like here, directly after 20 pips. No one would expect this huge move down. But usually we must know this. Thank you, Abdullah. Today I opened my account. It's the first trade in GBUSD, and in worst case, I have plus 5 pips. Oh, that's perfect, Elias. First trade, first win. Perfect. Ahmad, we missed
thank you again, Abdullah. Thank you again, and I'm still in.
Yeah, perfect. Hopefully, it will keep moving down. I think it should move down.
Okay. So far, I moved my entry. I've told you. In worst case, it will be plus 5 pips. In worst case, even if it goes on me.
Perfect.
Thank you again.
You're welcome. Don't forget, guys, for all the new people who are joining us or who finished the course every Friday from 7 p.m. till 8 p.m., exceptionally this week till 8 p.m. because I have a seminar after it, webinar, but it will be like 7 p.m. to 8 or 8:30, it depends. We will have like Q&A with just the community, the Zoom, people who want to ask questions, even these questions are basic questions or advanced questions, so it doesn't matter. In all cases, I will be available with you to answer all your questions as if we are talking or we are sitting together and talking. Not on like here YouTube, and because here like we have different levels. We have professionals in this community. We have people who just started, so we cannot answer basic questions or question related to the program or the course. So it will be every Friday from 7 p.m. till 8 p.m. GMT +2 Beirut time. So let's see now, what do we have? So Yalla GPUSD, Yalla Geo. We need you to go down. Usually, let's take it as a discussion, okay? Usually, and this is something that you can note, when we have big news like FOMC, like rates, like non-farm, I don't know, and the market moves up, then we have this formation like double top or triple top. I call it like stagnation. The market is working like sideways. After the sideways, we have two scenarios. We don't have a third one. Two scenarios. The first scenario is like to have the rectangle that we move in a continuation, like continuous pattern. And if it breaks like above this level, we can move up. For example, at least if it breaks like 139.90, we have the 140.30. This is worst case. And in the opposite way, which I highly appreciate if the market does this for me, when we have the sideway like double top or triple top and we have a reversal and then we have a clear traffic here at this point, look at these two candles. Most probably, when we break this neckline, which is a support, this is the neckline of the double top, usually we have our stop loss in the, this is, I'm talking by book. We have our stop loss in the middle. Our sell will be at 139.30, for example, and first time stop loss will be at 139.60, which means like 30 pips. Now it depends on how much you are risking per trade. If you are risking per trade, for example, 1% from your account. So if your account is $1,000 and the maximum risk that you are risking is 1%, which means $10, and you don't want to lose more, then you have to go like $10, 0.03. Yani for the $1,000, go and sell 0.03 because pip is and every 10 pips is a $3. So 30 pips, you are losing 9 point something with the commission, so it's $10, and this is 1% per trade. So at this point, you sell at this level with a stop loss. Once you have the move down, you start reducing your stop loss to the shadow, to the above the wick or the shadow of the previous candle, and you keep moving down your stop loss like a trailing stop while reaching your target at the end, supported by this. We have this support from yesterday. We put the support. Actually, if we didn't have news, and I would buy at this level, but of course we didn't. During news, I don't trade. So yesterday during the FOMC, I didn't trade, and we can sell it. Here at this point, this is something that we must know. We keep resuming down. Now, this is something that you must know, guys. It hit the double top target, and we don't have a shadow above. So I think most probably this candle, most probably, it's all a game of probability. most probably this candle will go and become a green candle to have a shadow, depending of after 28 minutes if it will go down, because this is 30-minute candle, if it will keep going down. But I think at some point we will go and do a shadow on this level. We need to do a wick shadow, it's the same. Okay. But look how it hit it exactly. It hit the target exactly. And now, as I said, it's creating a shadow. This is a small retracement. That's why I say when you get to this level, for me, you have to close half of the position at least, if not all the position. And of course, if it goes above this level, the previous candle shadow for the 30 minute, this means that you are not going down anymore. This is here, your stop loss should be above the shadow of this candle. This is the full target. Okay, US 30, Dow it's still trying to move forward again, down. Gold retraced exactly from 1720.99, and this is the most important support level, because if it breaks this level and close below 117.18, I highly see that this gold will move like toward 1700. Look, this is why. This is what I was saying. This is the retracement. US 30. Let's see if the US 30 will keep moving down. Let's have some fresh analysis on the US 30. These are our levels, and I will have a minor support here, a major one here. Okay, so I closed the GBP USD trade so far. I will wait, like we still have 2 pips, but I think it will close. Gold, UGPY. We can still expect so far the Dow to resume its move down, especially with this candle. GBP/USD so far did not hit our stop loss for 1 pip. Hopefully it won't hit it. Stop loss, but with profit now. We have this stop loss with profit. It will. Yeah, that's it. This is 5-minute candle. This is a reversal candle, 5-minute candle. So most probably we can move up with the GU. And now it did the shadow. and it should go up. So I will close the GU trade to be on the safe side. We gain 2 more pip, and most probably we can see a retracement for the GU. Most probably. Dow retracing, gold retracing, everything retracing. Well, this is USD CHF, CCI divergence on 30-minute chart, percentage R. Nice reversal candle. 15 minutes, 7 minutes left. And 5 minutes, I think we have like a double top. Wait for a second. Let's make new analysis. Okay, I need this to confirm below this level. We need a close before this, below this level to confirm 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth one. Our target, first target should be here, and second target should be here. Let's see Fibonacci level. Fibonacci, it is so we'll have to wait. But if it closes like here below this 92.87, we have a good probability to go down. Ali, I'm calling GJ buys at 151.68. 151.68. 68. It can be. But now with this retracement, it becomes a little bit confusing. I would love to see a big fall like here, like 51.46 or 50, 151. This level is a very good level. Look, yeah, wow. Now this is a good support level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have very good support level. So if I can see a sharp move like down and it hits like this level 151.50, it can be a good sniper entry. You have to see how this candle will close. The USD CHF. Now we have a higher probability down. USD CHF. This is the level. This is the second level. And this is the third level. 3 levels. This is on 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, we need a confirmation with this close. Okay, I think the Dow is going crazy so far. No more trade on Dow. GBP USD is still preparing to move up. GBP JPY or GJ also. Let's see here, USD CHF. Actually, after also this stagnation here, even it's a 5-minute candle. And why you are doing that? So here, let's see. Okay, now we have lower volume. So as I said, keep sending your studies because here we are to learn, to share ideas, to share studies, and to push each others to make our skills better. So Ali, your GBP 0.8569, those will lead towards 0.86. Very high probability. This is a retracement of this move up, and we can now resume the move up. This is a good study. So retracing the market is retracing. Oh, this is why, for example, I didn't sell here. This is why I didn't sell on the USD JPY. I always wait for this confirmation because look the difference. Maybe you could sell here like 0.9286 without a confirmation. Or here, for example, when you see it's going down and you expect most trader like, I expect to keep moving down. So they sell. Once they sell, the market reverse, and then they say, "Oh, it didn't match my study or my expectations." Usually, let's make it clear. In forex trading and while you are trading the market, there's no such feeling. I can't feel the market is moving unless, okay, I can feel it, but I don't trade based on my feeling. I trade based on facts, based on reality. But also, when I trade sometimes based on fact, we cannot hit our target always. Sometimes we hit our stop loss, and this is something normal. Yesterday, no, we didn't hit yesterday. Tuesday, we hit one trade stop loss and two trades were winning. And today, I sent a Telegram uh, trade on GBP USD, I think. Let's see, it was on GBP JPY, and it hit our stop loss at 152.28. 7, like we lost 6 pips in this. So but of course you reward yourself again with other trade, like for example GBP USD. If you sell the Dow, if we take, like, we don't stop, and even if your day is done with a loss, that's not a problem. You forget your loss and you call it a day. Next day, you start again. You make a better study, you focus more, and of course, you check why did you lose in your trade. Maybe it's your mistake. Maybe you went aggressive in the market. You should wait like one more confirmation. So we have always to recheck our trades, and this is why, like, starting next week, not this week, next week, every trade we will take, I will go through it at the end of the week, like during our meeting from 7 to 8, and even we might leave it to 9 p.m., 1 or 2 hours. It's an open meeting. So I will be rediscussing every trade. Why did we take this trade, and why it hit our take profit, or why we manage our risk and uh, just got out of this trade, even with a loss. This is our lovely Dow. For the Dow, I will be waiting this because now uh, made like a big retracement, and I will check if it will resume up towards 33,165, and breaking this level, breaking this resistance should move it up. حلو. Let's see. Dow still up, moving up. Now the market decreased كتير الضوء عضوي. Wow, this is USD CHF. Nice Dow. What I need from the Dow now is to keep moving up this way with no retracement. With no retracement. يلا perfect Dow. Perfect Dow. We need to resume this move up. And we can have like 150 pips move. Of course, we'll have some rejection. If it moves all the way up. GJ is moving up also, GU is moving up. Let's see USD. USD also. I think also this is instant. If the euro, if the EU, Euro USD breaks this 119.26 and close above, then I can say that we will have retracement. Until that moment, I think 118.97 can be a good target. And look, check here, for example, look for the 4-hour chart. all the move from the FOMC news yesterday, it retraced almost. And always the first confirmation is this one. Look, support. Always note, take a note in this, guys. Especially people who did not take our Forex Mastery program, take this note. If you have a sharp move, big move, based on news, and then you have a stagnation or a sideways move, like rectangle, like double top, or normal stagnation. Look, this is a 15-minute. Look, this is a double top. This is a perfect double top. And you go for the lower time frame to check this. And then you can see that after breaking the neckline, if you sold at this point, your stop loss is in the middle, it retraced and then kept moving down until it reached the full target. And usually it retraced, it retraces, it retraces the full target. And this is it, 27 to 28 pips target. This move is always here after big sharp move. Even these moves are down or are up, you have to take them both. Okay. It retraced here. Not typically the scenario I was looking for. It's okay. Let's see if it will resume up. GPUSD still here. GJ still moving up. We missed this. Ali at 68.72. Wow, 3 pips only. This could be a good entry. This would have been a good entry. So Euro now is still trying to keep moving down, and I believe that we can reach 119. Look, all the move, it retraced it all. This was the move. This was yesterday move. If we take it from here, we put it here, it almost retraced it all. Now let's check about gold. I think it's still moving up. 26, 24. And here gold, same. Also here, level 1743, and it retraced all this. This is a clear traffic. After all this move down, hitting this level, which is this is a sniper entry. Let's see US oil, crude oil. Opa! Big move down. بكرة بيغلوا البنزين بلبنان. Big move down. Is it like a double top? Is it like a daily double top? Wait. Oh. First, I think we have a divergence. True. Big divergence. Then, if we move here, top, double top, and oil should resume also to close all this up move from before. We can have like 60.63 target, but the best way was today entry. Gold, buy level, buy gold 1.38. إذا الباترن كانت نفسها على كذا تايم فريم أي واحدة بناخد it depends حسب شو اللي عطيتك confirmation أول شي. اللي بتعطيك confirmation you take. Price should retrace for oversold RSI. True. في مجال كتير. We have a 15 minute. By the way, 15 minute RSI I don't really count on because if you can check like before, the first time it did like it was 9 p.m. 9 a.m. and then we were like 17.34. It kept moving all the time and RSI was all the time oversold. I think I prefer personally, it depends on every person's strategy, but I prefer that using indicators not less than 30 minutes, which is a bit shaky. Then 1 hour it's better, 4 hour much better, and of course 4 hour daily it's perfect daily for me. But as a support here, of course, and as a sniper entry 17, 19, 80, it should resume up. And now even Dow is resuming up. Perfect. Yeah, now this time I will try my first sell at this level. Of course, I'm saying at a scalp trade. I think we should hit this resistance level. Okay, so my first sell now, I sold. My first sell. At 33,132.25. Wow, I closed it. Done. This is the first scalp trade. Perfect. We hit this target again. It's 33,132.25 and I closed at 33,120.85. So we have like 12 pips and exactly on the resistance that we put on, exactly we hit the sell and we took the take profit. This is how much we are having the right support, the right resistance levels, the right support levels. This is how much, this is a science, not gambling. And imagine when we are having these sniper entries, we are getting our target almost directly. Let's say I want to see like how much it took us at this trade, how much time. Like I executed this trade like 17:37:58, and I closed the trade 17:38:42. It's less than 1 minute, guys. Less than 1 minute. It's 40 seconds. It's a 40-second trade. 40-second trade. I secured my gold, boys. Perfect. Anyone in this community took this trade also with us? Ahmad, George, yes, yes, perfect, guys, perfect. Sarah also, nice, Sarah. Jean, perfect. People watching us on YouTube, it will be a bit harder. Of course, let me give you the strategy. If you are watching us live on YouTube, but it's delayed, yeah, we have like a 30-second delay. Look what you do, okay? And even people with us in our community, if you are not able to watch us on Zoom or you were somewhere and watching us on YouTube, when we put these levels, you open your TradingView account and you watch these levels live, okay? So at this point, uh, when you see it on your TradingView, when you see this level hit this support, when you see the price hitting this resistance or this support on your live, then you take the trade, even if on YouTube you didn't see it yet. Okay, because on YouTube it will be delayed like 40 seconds, the trade is closed. So you cannot wait on YouTube until we sell, for example, because when we sell on YouTube, maybe actually with price we had closed this. عادل ليه انا بالكوميونتي has on YouTube ما لحقت. That's why عادل it's better for you to go on Zoom if you are in the community, of course. And if you don't have the access on YouTube, on Zoom, when you see like, especially I'm talking about the scalp on the US 30. We can scalp the US 30 again. We will have to see, to wait this resistance, if it will break up. I prefer not to take the second chance. The first chance is the best. Normally when it goes up like this one, and this is better. So a second chance, we have high probability to break this level and go up. You can see this level like 33,190. Personally, and I had the GBP USD trade profitable today. I had the US 30 also two trades. You know, Ahmad, we had this discussion on I had a lot of winning trades. I have one losing trade only, which is the GJ that we did on the live account. So for me, I'm not really in for over trading more. I can call it a day. We have profit. I have profits. So yesterday also, before yesterday also. So it's enough for me. US oil. Let's keep moving down. I think we will reach the 60.39. So I was saying something to Adel on YouTube. That's why only on US 30, make sure to, if you are on YouTube, make sure to follow the strategy. When you see that I put a support and a resistance level, open your TradingView account and put these support and resistance levels. And if you see it live hitting on TradingView, not on YouTube, then you can take this chance, and around 10 to 15 pips you can get out of the trade. GBP USD. GBP JPY. It's good. And I really advise everyone, and I hope for your support in this. People watching us on YouTube, if you can share it with your friends, people who are interested to know more about this business, to make free money online on YouTube, and even to learn more in this session, please make sure to share it with them. Also, hear people in our community with us, as next week we will be focusing more on intensifying these trades, not with rush, but with more opportunities. And we will make again the live account reactivate more active. GBP USD, yes, oil. At this point, people who are watching us on live stream, thank you for watching us. Hope you benefit from the GBP USD and the Dow, or not. The Dow, I highly doubt that on YouTube you can benefit from the Dow, but be ready soon, especially people who are living outside Lebanon or who they have accounts, bank accounts outside Lebanon. We are preparing with XTB the live trading competition that we talked about in our first opening session during the Forex week. So hopefully starting end of this month or first April, 2nd April, the marketing campaign will start about it, and we have like 1.5 months, 1 month and a half to have your subscription and to go into this competition, which will be amazing. And I will be focusing a lot in this trading competition, as we did with Royal Financial before, to make sure that everyone who puts an account, who opens an account and just follow what I do, he will be able to increase the amount of this account, even if it opens like was 500, was 1,000, was 3,000. I will make sure that these people will have positive balance, no matter what they win this competition or not, but they will be able to make it, and it will be an international competition, mainly not for Lebanese having accounts in Lebanon, because it's hard to transfer amount outside. It will be for people who join us during the Forex week, people who are living abroad, Lebanese and non-Lebanese in this. It will be an international trading competition.